Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down, focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down.
Okay, so I just finished working out. Not really, I just didn't finish it, but it's been around 10 minutes and look at me, I'm sweating like a bitch because I'm all I'm all locked up in my car without any AC. You know why I do that. If you don't know, go watch my previous videos, you'll get a context of why I do that. Anyways, man, today was a good day. I had back and bicep workout, which went amazing. Killed it. Tomorrow is legs, which is going to be killer as fuck. Kinda don't want to do it, but will be doing it at a fucking intense level tomorrow. Let's actually talk about marketing, man, because marketing is something which really helped me out personally. Not just in terms of my personal brand, but also Make Me Garden, because initially I entered Make Me Garden. I became a partner in Make Me Garden by saying I'm the sales guy. I will get you the fucking revenue and I'm the top revenue producer there. So, that was my thing. But later on, when I understood the importance of marketing, I literally sat down, started learning a lot of it. Me being a BBA student who never fucking learned in college, I started learning it all by myself through YouTube. And several other people, several other books. I literally have around three or four books which I wrote down shit. Not even kidding. I literally wrote down shit. Where, not just theory, but also I wrote down shit how I can use theory in a practical way to multiple businesses, not just Make Me Garden. The reason why I want to speak about this is marketing has really helped me personally, not just in terms of growing my own personal brand, Suraj Rayaprolu, on several platforms, but in terms of increasing sales, exposure and brand awareness for Make Me Garden. So, marketing actually played a huge fucking role for my own startup. And as a matter of fact, even when I was part of Refine, marketing played an insane fucking role initially to put out the name of Refine, where people became aware of it. And, as I mentioned, I literally wrote down notes of theory, how it can be used in a practical way, not just for Make Me Garden or myself, but also anybody running any damn business. So what I did was I started hitting up people and telling people, if you have any company or are looking for any marketing advice or just want to know marketing shit, hit me up. I'll sit together with you. We'll discuss a lot of things together. So while doing that, I met a lot of people. One of them owns a phone case company. Another one is a wholesaler of phone cases. I got both of them connected. I don't think so deal worked out, but yeah, that happened. And then I met another person who does stationery work, customized stationery work. Then I met another person who wanted to start a soap business. And then, another person, Avnish, who was, as a matter of fact, handling the sales and marketing for Bigos and a lot of things, man. So, we just sit down and we discuss several marketing ideas of how one brand or one company can utilize them for themselves. So in the process of doing all of this, one thing became very clear to me, that any company will have sales without marketing. Let's just say a company has sales of 10 sales a month without marketing. What marketing basically does is, if you're having 10 sales a month without marketing, with marketing, you will probably have 100 sales. It is not an assured thing, but your brand's awareness and exposure will increase, which will result in more people buying shit from you. So simply put, how exactly does marketing help any fucking business? Well, without marketing, if you make 10 sales, you're still making sales, but if you use marketing, you have chances of making 100 sales. That's it. So, there are several ways how you can figure out how can you market your own brand or your own company in a way which will increase your sales. Right now, I'm still in the process of figuring out what exactly or what exactly can I use for Make Me Garden to up its sales. I'm trying a lot of shit. So, you know, they're working. And one of the main things which has worked beautifully for Make Me Garden is the KBR thing. So this is the thing. When people see me put up KBR stories, I don't know what they think. I honestly don't care, or I don't even get a thought, man, about what are you thinking when I put KBR stories, because I'm so engrossed at that moment of selling my shit at KBR. It's so fucking fun. I'll tell you why exactly is it fun. So look at it this way, man. Every Sunday I'm at KBR, probably making zero sales or 4 to 5 sales. From a practical perspective, you might say that, man, 4 to 5 sales is literally nothing. So let's say my product is worth $100, so 4 sales or 5 sales is $500. Man, 400 or $500 is literally nothing if you're going there every Sunday and doing shit. Well, look at it this way, man. It's not just selling my product. I want you to understand Make Me Garden is not a product company. It's a service-based company who does product-based gifting for corporates or individuals. The Pocket Garden thing is not a product which we openly sell. If somebody wants it, we give it. But you know, that's just for awareness, or basically Pocket Garden is just for people to understand how easy it is to grow vegetables or herbs at home. Once you understand or get rid of that fear of gardening at home, you will be interested in my service. So, you know, that is my approach. Let's just say 5 people take Pocket Garden today. They're going to use it. And if they actually like it, even if one comes back to me saying that, hey, I just want to take your service, 100 rupee product converts into 4,000 or 8,000. These are the 2 basic packages we offer. Let me tell you something. One day, one person came in, he didn't buy anything from us. 1 week later, he opted our service, ended up, you know, we ended up making 25K. Look at that, man. 0 sale, but I ended up making 25K. That is exactly how marketing works. People know who you are. Another point, why is marketing important? Well, if people don't know who you are and what you do, why the fuck would they be interested in buying your product or service, man? Unless they know who you are and what you provide and how you add value, why would they take your fucking service or product? It's that simple. Marketing literally conveys a message to customers or people out there who would be interested in what you have to offer to them. So that's what marketing does. And yeah, see, this is just one example of it. And the other Sunday, this is another amazing thing. And the previous Sunday when I was in KBR, a person came over. She actually met me the previous Sunday too, where she wanted to take palak seeds, but I didn't have them. And last Sunday also I didn't have them. So we were just talking for a while, and then she was telling me that she runs a school called Bodhi Valley School, and the entire concept behind the school is fucking amazing. It's not like just another school. It's a school where they teach kids about human development along with education. So if you go anywhere, people just talk about education, which is, if you ask me, education is not that worth it. Yeah, it's important, but it's not everything. Human development along with education is a fucking game changer, because right now whatever I'm doing is literally personal development and working on myself. I didn't know that. It's not that education is wrong, but a lot of people don't know human development along with education will literally benefit them in ways they can never imagine. So yeah, we met previous Sunday and we were talking. She was explaining about how she started her own business, how she quit her corporate job. And then she was like, hey, please come over to my school anytime next week. I want you to set up a vegetable garden there. One is for my personal use, but at the same time, I want kids to understand and learn what is the smell of vegetables like. What is the smell of vegetables like? How do they look? How do different vegetables look? And the last thing, there is a different vibe when you're around nature. There is a different vibe around nature, and kids pick up that vibe very, very easily. Just pay attention and you will see that. Kids do, have a lot of fun because they're in tune with the nature, man. That's life. And see, this is how marketing helped make me garden. It's also helping me build my personal brand. And today, actually, I'm going to go visit Bodhi Valley School at some time between 12:30 to 3. That's the time she gave us. So yeah, man, see, this is how I bring business to Make Me Garden. Market myself, make people understand what do I do, what do I provide, and more importantly, how I add value to them. Once I convey this to them, all I have to do is wait and see if they're interested in what I have to offer. If they are, it's a good deal, man. It's a good fucking deal. So yeah, this is how marketing helps. This is how marketing can help anyone. And right now, I just explained how is marketing working out and helping myself and also Make Me Garden. Soon, I'll be talking in detail about my marketing strategy. I've already spoken about it, but I will again make a video where I explain in detail how you can copy my entire model so that you can also utilize it and use it for your own brand or business. It's not that tough. And right now I'm actually in talks with a lot of independent artists. I just want to meet them and tell them multiple ways they can, market themselves and their songs. I just want to see, man, how do these tips work out? Because I am not the greatest at marketing. I'm still learning. I'm not the best. I'm nowhere close to the best. I'm still learning. So, I want to know if my things work or not. And if they do work, these people are filled up with so much fucking talent that if it works, they're gonna blow the fuck up. So yeah, man, excited shit coming up, and I also recorded a song. I'll end this video just by saying that. We'll talk soon about that.